most welcome in this video. In this video, I would like to tell you much more information about types of sentences. Already you have studied types of sentences in any other language like Marathi and Hindi. But here we will have to study types of sentences in English language with a broader sense. आपल्याला इंग्लिश लँग्वेजमध्ये वेगवेगळे वाक्यांचे प्रकार बघायचे आहेत आणि याच्यामध्ये सुरुवातीला तुम्हाला एक गोष्ट महत्त्वाची आहे, हाऊ सेंटेन्सेस आर मेड अप, देन ऑफ विच एलिमेंट्स. ओके, जस्ट I have mentioned one more element in this beginning of preface relating to types of sentences, but try to remember things which I will proceed at this moment relating to the uh, made up of sentences, okay, in English language. So now sentences is a group of words. Okay, group of words means what? Here you are seeing lots of words within some of the sentences. It means words are inseparable part of sentences, but excluding words we may find out clauses, phrases, morphemes, phonemes, syntax. Okay, these are also known as elements of sentences. Okay, means sentence and sentences are not only made up of words only, there could be clauses, phrases, phonemes, morphemes and syntax also. Here what we have mentioned, sentence is a group of words, म्हणजे प्रत्येक वाक्य हे शब्दांचा एक समूह असतं असं आपण या ठिकाणी म्हटलेलं आहे. पण इतर ज्या काही गोष्टी आहेत त्या सुद्धा तुम्हाला लक्षात ठेवायच्या आहेत, त्या एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी नॉलेज म्हणून तुम्हाला देण्यात आलेला आहे. ओके, मीन्स फॉर द सेक ऑफ extraordinary knowledge I told you other elements of sentences, okay, including word, clause, phrases, morpheme, phonemes and syntax. Okay, for general information you can remember those things also. It is a separate and complete grammatical unit. Then sentences are used in a four different, here types of sentences are dividing into four, like statements. Okay, statements means vidhanarthi vakya. Then second one is commands. Okay, as well as imperative sentence. Imperative sentence means in Marathi आज्ञार्थ वाक्य. Then interrogative sentence means to ask questions. And last one, exclamatory sentence, which mark certain types of exclamations. Okay, उद्गारवाचक, वेगवेगळे उद्गार काढण्यासाठी उद्गारवाचक वाक्याचा उपयोग आपण करतो. क्वेश्चन्स म्हणजे काय, इंट्रॉगेटिव्ह म्हणजेच काय, तर suppose if you want to ask any question, you can get the help of interrogative sentence. Means interrogative sentence and imperative sentence are quite different from each other. Means imperative sentence always carries certain types of command. Okay, and interrogative sentences are being used to ask several types of questions. These are four types of sentences which we have studied in this video with broader sense. म्हणजे हे चार प्रकार वाक्याचे जे आहेत ते आपण ब्रॉडरली या ठिकाणी डिस्कस केलेले आहेत. नेक्स्ट आफ्टर दिस one by one we will clear each and every types of sentence. First one is a assertive sentence, which is called as declarative sentence also. Means in other words, assertive sentence is known as declarative sentence also. Then a sentence that state a fact is called as assertive sentence. Means suppose if any one sentence being exposed fact, then that could be called as assertive sentence. Main role of assertive sentence only to state a fact. एखादी वस्तुस्थिती त्या ठिकाणी मांडणं हे या ठिकाणी assertive sentence म्हणजे विधानार्थी वाक्याचं आपल्याला मेन फंक्शन असलेलं दिसून येतं. देन सच सेंटेन्सेस आर सिंपल स्टेटमेंट. सिंपल स्टेटमेंट म्हणजे साधं विधान या ठिकाणी केलेलं असतं. म्हणजेच फॉर एक्झाम्पल assertive sentences are going to state as well as assert, declare something. म्हणजे एखादी गोष्ट त्या ठिकाणी डिक्लेअर करणं किंवा ती असर्ट करणं, ठामपणे मांडणं, नुसतं मांडणं याचं काम assertive sentence करतं. फॉर एक्झाम्पल हिअर इज one more sentence about assertive as well as declarative sentence. He is an honest employee. He is a subject, is a predicator, and an honest employee is a complement, means gives complimentary information about subject. He means how here this sentence working, that is a question. He is an honest employee. In this sentence we are seeing a fact about subject. He means he is an honest employee. Who is honest employee? He. Okay, means this part of sentence, okay, going to expose a fact about subject. He means here we are seeing a simple statement. Simple statement. Therefore this one is an example of assertive sentences. And here is a fact about subject, and we are going to assert this fact by using assertive sentence. Next after this one is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence includes request, suggestions, advice, commands. Here is a missing subject, okay, and use base form of verb to begin the sentence. For example, in this sentence, bring me a glass of water. Have you going to find out subject of that sentence? No, subject is missing. Okay, and how sentence is beginning? It begins with appropriate form of verb. Bring means here we are seeing ing form of verb, okay, at the beginning of this sentence, and therefore sentence bring me a glass of water. This is a command, okay, means here is a command. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी आज्ञा आहे, ब्रिंग मी अ ग्लास ऑफ वॉटर म्हणजे माझ्यासाठी एक ग्लास पाणी. आणि या ठिकाणी आपण आज्ञा दिलेली आहे, आणि आज्ञार्थी वाक्यामध्ये सब्जेक्ट जो आहे तो मिसिंग असतो, आणि त्या ठिकाणी वर्ब फॉर्म जो आहे तो यूज केला जातो. मग तो सिच्युएशन वाईज आपण वर्ब फॉर्म या ठिकाणी फॉर्म्युलेट करू शकतो. वी विल फॉर्म्युलेट अप्रोप्रिएट वर्ब फॉर्म at the beginning of sentence as per the situation. In fact the subject is a person listening or the audience. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी सब्जेक्ट कोण आहे? जो हे वाक्य ऐकणारा आहे तो या वाक्याचा सब्जेक्ट आहे. Means person who is listening this sentence is a part of subject. Okay, then after interrogative sentence, exclamatory sentence. Okay, exclamations means what? उद्गारवाचक आपण म्हणतो बऱ्याचदा एक्सक्लामेशन्स मार्क उद्गारवाचक चिन्ह, तसं एक्सक्लामेटरी म्हणजे उद्गारवाचक. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी an exclamatory sentence or exclamations is a more forceful version of declarative sentence. Exclamatory sentence makes a statement but it also conveys excitement or emotions. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी एक्साइटमेंट असेल किंवा इमोशन्स कॅरी आउट करण्याचं काम एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेन्स कडून केलं जातं. मीन्स सेकंडरी वर्क ऑफ exclamatory sentence to convey as well as to carry out excitement and excitement or emotions together. एकत्र पद्धतीने एखादी एक्साइटमेंट आणि इमोशन कॅरी आउट करण्याचं काम एक्सक्लामेटरी सेंटेन्स कडून केलं जातं. And number second trick to find out exclamatory sentence among imperative, interrogative, and statement is there to find out exclamation marks at the end of sentence. If it is there, then you can easily justify about exclamatory sentence after seeing exclamations at the end of any other sentence. Here is the exclamations. Okay, exclamation mark at the end of this sentence. Therefore, this sentence is an example of exclamatory sentence. Okay, means what a pleasant surprise it is. So, in an excitement, we can say this sentence. What a pleasant surprise it is. Okay, after saying what a pleasant surprise it is, someone could become excited, okay, to see a pleasant surprise. ओके, म्हणजे ज्यावेळी आपण असं वाक्य म्हणतो त्यावेळी प्रत्येक जण एक्साइटमेंट होतो की नक्की काय आहे हे प्लीजंट सरप्राईज. म्हणजे म्हणजे एक्साइटमेंट आणि इमोशन या ठिकाणी एकत्र कॅरी ऑन झालेले आपल्याला पाहायला मिळतात. ओके, so you can collect several examples relating to exclamatory sentence. Just find out the exclamation mark at the end of any other sentence and then easily you may remark about exclamatory sentence. Okay, and last one is interrogative sentence. Okay, so interrogative sentence is also a types of sentences. Before asking any question, we will get the help of interrogative sentences. Okay, then interrogative sentences are typically marked by inversion of subject and predicate. So here inversion of subject and predicate means what? इन्व्हर्जन मीन्स रिव्हर्स ऑर्डर. या ठिकाणी उलट क्रम आपल्याला सब्जेक्ट आणि प्रेडिकेटरचा दिसून येतो. बेसिकली वी यूज सब्जेक्ट, प्रेडिकेटर, ऑब्जेक्ट, ॲडव्हर्बियल अँड कॉम्प्लिमेंट. बट हियर इज अ इन्व्हर्जन ऑफ subject and predicator. Means predicator will come before subject. Okay, and that will be that will appear in given example, and we will discuss about that example next after this discussion. Then it means what? The first verb in a verb phrase appears before subject. And last trick to find out interrogative sentences among number of sentences, just to find out question mark. If question mark is there at the end of any sentences, you may easily detect that sentence as a interrogative sentence. Means why don't many people follow traffic rules? Here don't is do not. Do is auxiliary verb. Then many is a determiner and people is noun. Means this one is the subject. Why don't many people follow traffic rules? Okay, so here before we have discussed inversion of subject and predicated, and same thing occurs in given examples. Means predicator comes before subject. Okay, so you can prepare your own sentences about simple sentence, means statements, then imperative sentence, interrogative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. Okay, most important trick to find out statement, imperative sentence, interrogative sentence, and exclamative sentence is there. To use such kinds of sentences in your general conversation, if you have had habituation to use simple interrogative, imperative, and exclamative sentences, as usual, you can easily remark about all of them very easily from given sentences. ओके, जर तुम्हाला या वाक्यांची रोजच्या रोज वापरण्याची सवय जर असेल तर तुम्ही नक्कीच ही सेंटेन्सेस रिमार्क करू शकता. म्हणजे यापैकी कोणतं सिम्पल आहे म्हणजे स्टेटमेंट आहे, कोणतं इम्परेटिव्ह आहे, कोणतं इंट्रॉगेटिव्ह आहे आणि कोणतं एक्सक्लामेटरी आहे. ठीक आहे. सो थँक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस व्हिडिओ फ्रॉम बिगिनिंग टू एंड and we will meet each other in next video with next chapter. So if you have had any difficulty, you can let me ask about my personal WhatsApp number as well as on our WhatsApp group which we have created here before.